Wudu, before performing daily prayers, salat. Muslims are required to perform wudu, which involves a specific sequence of washing body parts, including face, arms, head, and feet. This ritual purification ensures physical and spiritual cleanliness before approaching to align prayer, confession, and repentance. In Christianity, Christians often confess their sins to God and seek forgiveness for their wrongdoings before worship. It is believed this act of acknowledging and repenting for their sins helps them to purify their hearts and minds. Achamana. In Hinduism, Achamana involves a specific ritual of sipping water from the palm of one's hand while reciting mantras. It is believed this practice is intended to purify the body, mouth, and mind before engaging in worship or other religious activities. It symbolizes the cleansing of physical and spiritual impurities. Meditation. In Buddhism, meditation involves sitting quietly, focusing the mind, and letting go of distracting thoughts. It is believed that it helps calm the mind and create a state of inner purity, which is essential for Buddhist worship. Netilat Yadayim. In Judaism, one important way to purify before worship is Netilat Yadayim, which is the ritual washing of hands before engaging in prayers. It is believed that this practice involves pouring water over one's hands to symbolize spiritual cleansing and prepare for a sacred act. Ishnaan. In Sikhism, the necessary way to get purifying before worship is Ishnaan, which means taking a cleansing bath. Before engaging in worship, Sikhs are required to take a bath to cleanse their body and mind, symbolizing purity and readiness for prayer and devotion. Misogi. In Shintoism, before entering a Shinto shrine or participating in worship, individuals engage in the ritual of Misogi, which involves purifying the body and mind by washing the hands and mouth with water from a chozuya, a water pavilion located at the entrance of the shrine. It is believed that this act clean and purify worshippers before approaching the sacred space and deities in the shrine. Smudging. In Native American spirituality, burning of sacred herbs such as sage, sweetgrass, or cedar, and using the smoke to purify the body, mind, and environment. This ritual is performed to cleanse negative energies and prepare individuals for prayer, meditation, or other spiritual practices